llama, 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 llama.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Wrong.
Huh?
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums.
No poo. I love you.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
All right, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. What?
Ladies, hold on. Bitch, did you hear what the fuck I said? Shake some ass!
Do you want a bitch? Down. Sit. Lay down. Up. Speak. Who's a good boy? Lay down. Up. Good boy. Stay. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8, 2 3/4, 2 3/6. How long can you stay there for? Are you drooling? Do you want that bitch? I bet you do. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, good boy.
have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite Stuffy? Do you have a little kitty?
这是什么造型啊？哎呀！哎呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀！
I saw this thing on TikTok that said if you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured